Vicky here with you, and today I thought it'd be fun to make this one day saving bookmark that I've had in for a little while. It's a Dragonfly, and I've been reading a lot, so I would love to put this into a bookmark. And I just love the colors of it. I just think it's going to make me very happy. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to be just taking some time and enjoying the process, and while having an audiobook being read to me, I discovered through Kimberly the fun of listening to audiobooks. She'd been mentioning it for quite a long time to me, and I had not gotten into them, but now I totally am obsessed with them. Because whenever I'm cleaning or doing anything else or taking a walk, I can listen to them, and I'm getting so much more reading through that done, and just really enjoying the process. I can't believe I didn't do this before. So that's what I'm going to be doing while I'm doing this little bookmark. So see you at the end when this is all finished. Okay, so I'm all finished. I love how it turned out. I think once I've put this thing in, it's going to be even more gorgeous. The colors are just totally my type of vibe. Like really, really the type of colors I love. We're talking like purples and teals and that sort of thing. If I can just get this through. Yep. So just totally stunning. This will be a great addition to my bookmark collection because I have quite a lot of bookmarks and I love alternating, and I love to use them in my journals as well. But check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? I just totally love it. So I hope you go and check out One Day Savings. The link will be in the description box below, as well as a discount code. I know many of you now know them and appreciate their stuff. You're never disappointed, and what's great is you've got everything that you need. Like if you want to do a small project and discover if you like it or not, this is just a perfect little project. Doesn't take very long, as you could see, even though it's a sped up version. I mean, it took me maybe an hour to do, so not bad at all, and just a fun time of doing something creative. But that's not hard and can be relaxing. Like you can do watch something or at the same time, like I said, listen to an audiobook. So love you guys so much. Hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you guys soon.